What's up, grandmajitos? So welcome to a new video. Might be a little short video, but big surprise for the kids again. I'm getting another dog, so we're getting another German Shepherd. Hopefully I'm gonna go see him right now, so we can get Thor a little buddy to play with while he's at home, so let's go see this puppy and see if we come home with one. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so here he is. Black German Shepherd, all black. So don't know names yet, but let's get home and show them to the kids and Thor, and we'll see what we name him. I think it's between Odin and Loki, but I'm leaning more into Odin just because, Thor is Thor. So yeah, so let's get home. What happened? Wanna meet your big brother? Wanna meet your big brother? I can't see him on the camera.
Thor, nice.
Se le bajó, ¿no?
Mm-hmm.
He's like, what is that? Yeah, that's... You have to teach him. Think they'll be okay? Thor's like, that freak. Thor. Come on, Thor. Thor, come. Thor, come. He's so much little. Thor. I think he wants to play with me. Wait, he's a great check his. Thor, come on. I think they'll be okay.
Thor, you're a little weenie, dude. Hey, no.
Thor, show him the house. Thor, go. Thor, no. Hey, stop. You can't play with him too rough. Thor. No. No, Thor, you can't play with him too rough.
Oh. Thor. Thor.
Thor, come on. Hey, stop. You can't play with him too rough. He's little. He's like, what the?
Thor. Thor.
Thor. Thor, look. Annalyn, look. Look. He's like Thor, but little. Thor, no. He's like Thor, but little. Thor, you can't play too rough. Look how little he is, Annalyn. He's so little. Oh, is he trying to get you? He wants to play.
He bites.
No, he's a little puppy. What do you want to name him?
Thor.
Thor, come on, let's go. Let's go outside.
Mommy, I want to name him Cookie.
Cookie?
Yes, I want to name him Cookie. I want to name him Cookie.
Look, Papa.
I want to name him Cookie.
Look, Papa.
Daddy, I want to name him Cookie.
Oh, look at
I want to name him
Look.
Cookie.
Cookie.
Yeah.
What's up?
Hi guys, today we got a new brand dog. Wait, that's my dog. Name's here. Look at our new brown dog. Our dog is right there. Look at him. He's so cute. He's Sturmormus. And I'm gonna go eat right now, but it's just too blobby.
So we are going to call him Loki.
Okay. So we got a new doggy.
Yeah.
And our new doggy is so cute and he's sleeping because he's too little, guys.
Yeah, his name's Loki.
Yep, Loki today. Next time he's 5 months, guys.
Let me see, look. Hey, not too rough, guys. Thor.
Oh, no.
Already wrestling, man. Already wrestling. Hey, hey, don't get mad, Loki. Thor. Nicely. Hey. Con leche vaya. All right, Thor.